Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Squarespace in 2026. So if you want to build a website, portfolio, or even an online store without coding, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, go to Squarespace and sign up for an account. You can start with a free trial, so you don't need to pay anything right away. Next, pick a template. Squarespace offers ready-made designs for portfolios, blogs, and online stores. Just choose one that matches your goal. Now open the editor. You can change text, images, colors, and layout just by clicking on elements. No coding needed at all. Next, add important pages like home, about, services, or contact. This helps visitors understand what your website is about. Now start adding content like images, blog posts, or product listings. Make sure everything looks clean and easy to read. After that, adjust your fonts, colors, and branding. Keep everything consistent so your website looks professional. Finally, click Publish. Your website is now live and anyone can visit it through your domain. And that's it. You've successfully built a website using Squarespace. From here, you can keep updating your content and growing your online presence. Hey everyone, welcome back.